Hi guys, Chef Soleil here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I was playing, but I was really hungry. And I wish I could take a break, but wait, you saw something? Right behind me. Oh, it's Rainbow Twilight with this, as you guys know, jello. I like jello. It's so cool. With, as you guys know, cherry flavor. Cherry berry, oh yeah. Let's start making a jello. Oh, and there's also instructions behind it. And you can see the pictures as well. There's like some instructions. And don't forget guys, you need to follow instructions. But right now, let's get started. Give me a thumbs up if you're so excited. Let's get started. Oh, it's just a little bag. It's so cool. First, you start pouring hot water in this measuring glass. And it's only 500 milliliters. So, and that's what the instructions says. So right now, let's pour it. Let's get pouring. And don't miss the 500 milliliters, because they'll not count. Okay, it's enough. Alright, now let's pour up the jello. So, right now, the next step is that we have to slowly open up the bag. You guys, when I open it, I see the steam coming out, like a little bit of the steam. Now let's pour it. It smells good. Do you guys want to smell it? It smells so good. Tell me about it. Whoa! Look all that! It's so cool. Fun, and there it is. It's so cool. But now we have to mix it. Wait, you guys, I can't find my spatula. Look, it was right there, but then when I turn around to you, then I turn back, it's gone missing. Where is it? Wait, you saw something? Where? Right there? Ah, there it is. I forgot. Now let's get mixing. Now, mix, mixy. Mix. Oh, and we have to stop mixing until it absorbs. And it has lots of bubbles. And as you guys see on the bottom, it has like some sugary thingies. But I don't know what it is, but it's kind of cool. Make sure it absorbs. It smells so good. Mixing. You have to make sure you finish mixing, and then the next step is that we need to let it sit for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, it has to be room temperature, and we need to pour them on those glass. Or you want to pour on anything, like bowls or plates or anything, or even molds. Like you have like for example, jello molds, as I say. Or even popsicle molds, like you'll make it jelly pop, and or any other molds, like normal jello. It's gonna be so cool. Like a cool normal jello size, which is gonna be extremely awesome. And just like how it'll work. Now let's set it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Alright guys, it's time to pour this jello mixture to the bowl and the gingerbread man. Like, I mean, we're supposed to go on different molds, but this one is so cool. Now let's get started. if you agree. Because it'll be so good. And it's gonna be cherry flavored. And even that one. A little bit of it. See right there and kind of noisy though. Now it's on the last one. Leftovers though. Now let's find the last one. It's just a fun part. But it's kind of like a little bit jiggly. But make sure you have adults to help you because things are about to get a little bit messier. Kind of. Now stay safe. Alright guys, so cool. And it's kind of like a little leftovers there, but that's okay. Oh wait guys, I think I have an idea. The ones I did earlier, it was like a great idea. And it's a little bit too much, but there's some leftovers there. Gonna be very great. Okay, nothing inside, but do you know what's the fun part? That we have to put those on the refrigerator, and this is gonna be the great part, which is gonna be very extremely awesome. After it's finished, then you're gonna see those. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you agree. So right now we have this mold and those balls, and now we're about to put them on a refrigerator for 2 hours. Now let's start. 2 hours later. Get it, guys? 2 hours later. Yep. Now the jellos are ready. Now the fun part and the best part. Taste test and eating test with the rainbow twilight, which I usually love. And it's so cool, but it's kind of jiggly. Like it's like all the play, but it's a food. Bam! And I actually have an idea. It's coming out. Oh dang. Oh, it's gonna. Oh no. Oh no. My mom said, oh no. Whatever it is, right? Wah, wah, wah. You guys look at my face. Alright guys, so now taste that. It's fun to play, but it's a food. You guys, I don't think this one works because this is a real fail. I don't know if it works, but that one works. Good. Yep. But about that, this one is a fail. But give it a thumbs up if you agree about this. Because that's safe. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And remember, like this channel and subscribe and stay healthy because it tastes healthy. Bye. Bye.